Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking. And I'm Gary.
I'm Ben. We're doing another mailbag episode where we answer your questions, respond to your comments.
And today we made English muffin pizzas.
You were saying this was a big snack for your mom, right?
If it was a Sunday night, she was like getting stuff ready for us to go to school the next day or whatever. She had no time for the nonsense. So she's like, you want English muffin pizzas? And we were all like, yeah, why not?
So this is a legitimate meal for you guys.
Mm-hmm. That's what we call the 90s, Ben.
We'll ask you this. What is your ideal pizza order?
I'm a purist. I like it thin and crispy. I traditionally will go with just a cheese, but I also do love a pepperoni pie, a sausage.
What do you think is more trash? Hawaiian pizza or deep dish pizza?
Hawaiian.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Because there's deep dish I like.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
I thought you were anti-deep dish.
Absolutely not.
Really?
How about yourself?
No, I love deep dish.
I think it's excellent when it's done right. I mean, granted, it's filling,
Right.
you know?
Yeah. It's kind
I can only have 6 or 7 slices of that.
Yeah, but that's how Bears fans stay warm in the winter.
Exactly.
It's deep dish.
No, but I do love a deep dish. When it's done right and the ingredients are really good, I think it's excellent.
Is your hatred for Hawaiian pizza really that much about the taste, or is it the principle?
Listen, what do Hawaiians know about pizza?
Well, that's the thing, is it's actually not made by Hawaiians. It's made by Canadians.
Rest my case.
It's a Canadian product. They just put pineapple on it. But it's delicious.
It's not delicious.
Okay, what's a bigger crime? Hawaiian pizza or the most traditional pizza ever dipped in ranch?
Oh, that's sacrilege. No,
That's even worse?
That's even worse because it's just, no, I'm sorry. I just think, and I know the buttons are gonna go crazy on the computer. Everyone's gonna be on, but I really love it. But if you have a great slice of pizza, crispy, great ingredients, and you dip that in ranch, come on.
It's really good though. Okay, so kind of in the same vein, here's a good question. Trash or not trash? Breaking your spaghetti before boiling it.
Major trash.
Yeah?
No need. Why would you do that?
What if it doesn't fit?
It just falls in. You gently put it in the pot of boiling water, salted obviously, and you just let it take its course. There's no need for you to snap it and there's little pieces of it flying all over the kitchen. What are you doing?
Sure.
What are you doing? Relax. A little ease. A little ease.
Rapid fire here. Trash or not trash, jarred sauce?
Oof. I don't know if that's rapid fire. I actually will.
Well, it's rapid fire if you respond quickly.
Not trash. I actually like a jarred sauce here and there.
Great. Trash or not trash, gluten-free pasta?
Trash.
Yeah, wanna know what's so funny? This is sparkling water.
Same here.
What do you got, cranberry juice?
Yeah, a little. What am I drinking? What am I drinking over there? Lambrusco.
All right, I got a good comment for you.
Yeah.
So if you remember the mozzarella and croats episode, you cut it, pull it apart. This comment, which is I thought it was a really good question. What the f up with that cheese pull though?
What's the problem?
That's just the question.
That was a beautiful cheese pull. That was a cheese accordion.
I think it was a compliment.
Oh.
I think it depends how you read it. I think it wasn't like, what the f up with that cheese pull though? It was like, hey, what the f that cheese pull though?
Do you see how friendships end?
Exactly.
On text and emails?
This is why you have to talk to people in real life.
You can't figure out the tone.
Because we're talking pizza and we're talking sauce. Is it sauce or is it gravy?
Sauce.
Yeah.
It's sauce across the board.
I've never heard anyone call sauce gravy that isn't actual gravy.
I agree. There's a lot of Italians, even on the East Coast, who are calling it gravy. Like they call it Sunday gravy. It just bothers me.
Okay, but like tomato sauce.
Correct. It's sauce.
But would anyone ever call it gravy?
Yes, there are a lot of people on the East Coast who call it gravy. It's how you grew up.
Do they call it tomato gravy?
Nope. Sunday gravy. Gravy is for Thanksgiving. End of story.
Last question. You gonna make a few more? Or?
Another round? No.
You get around to
another round? What are we doing over here?
Thanks for watching. Send in your questions. Send in your comments.
That's it?
Yeah.
That was nice.
I have a request.
You want a mortadella?
Well, I want no tomato sauce, olive oil, cheese, mortadella, salt and pepper.
My wife's over here wanting a white pie. I got English muffins.
A little Thomas's white pie.
I got the little engine that could. The Thomas English muffin over here. She's over here going, can you make me a really nice white pie, maybe a little truffle on it? I'm like, what's going on over here? So you want them what? Let me get this.